Governor Nyesom Wike, CON, GSSRS, POS Africa, Executive Governor of Rivers State. Let's go. Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor of Adia State, Your Excellency, the Right the Honorable Speaker, Your Excellency, my dear friend and brother who is here to flag off this project. Recently, and I said I am going to talk about it. Recently, I said I will not talk much, but since some people have started talking, get on the force. Whether you like it or not, you can't play with Rivers State. You have given to Delta. You have given to Imo. What will you give to Rivers State? I'm not one of those governors you will push around. Because, come on down, woman don't let walk. Come on down, woman don't let walk. Darling. These days, I see people on, they are talking that I went to build a lounge because I just bought a private jet. Very laughable. All this psychophancy and very laughable. If they are not talking about private jet, they say now Wike is wearing designers. What do you mean? Yes, so we get if I don't wear designers, who will wear? If I don't wear, who will wear? You will leave the door and you can pick the naira. This work is not an easy work. Now back to the matter. You see, people don't really understand. What is my offense? Everywhere you go, wicked. You go here, wicked. You go there, wicked. What is the problem? That's also project to wicked. They are there shouting, I'm here delivering the dividends of democracy. It is not a bubble when it's time, show operation, show what you have done. Go around the river state. You will see what we have done. It is there. How many flyovers now? We have flyover 1, flyover 2, flyover 3, flyover 4, flyover 5, flyover 6, flyover 7, flyover 8, flyover 9, flyover 10, flyover 11, flyover 12. Abba! And of course, you know, as a rivers man, I will not run. Because I'm not afraid. I will die when God say I will. Nobody can kill me. Not one single person. Nobody. You. Stop shaking your head. Stop. Stop shaking your head. These are the people causing problem everywhere. Small boy. I remember when we were in the university, it was running around us. You know, when people want power, now see him is wearing big like a wood smart and fojo. He thinks when he's shaking his head, I'll be happy with him. Breaking protocols over now. Causing problems everywhere. Oh, fake. CSO. Is CSO here? Go and raise us who will be doing that. See the process. Now who did the process for? Say, we got easy but here. Yes, we can how we go. One thing I know is it will come and go, and it will come out successful. Don't worry. I don't know federal. River State is PDP. I don't know federal place. I don't know where they will even do their campaign. Because when it gets time to the campaign, we will know who is. Some people feel say you they do juju. Now you do juju. I will fight them to fast. Just remember. Because if you didn't do it, whether you like it or not, as you debate them, they sweet us. As you sweet us, you debate them. You go to sweet us, as you sweet us. You go to sweet us.